What if you could earn passive income while your portfolio grows steadily year after year? These 10 dividend ETFs have quietly outperformed the market, delivering consistent yields and solid returns for a decade. Let's uncover the hidden gems of dividend investing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, these ETFs could be your ticket to financial freedom. Stay till the end for a powerful visual comparison that might change how you invest forever. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the top 10 dividend ETFs that have stood the test of time. Number 10. First Trust Value Line Dividend ETF, FVD. Dividend yield around 2.2%. 10-year return approximately 7.5% CAGR. Steady growth with low volatility. A quiet performer for conservative investors. Number 9. WisdomTree US Quality Dividend Growth ETF, DGRW. Yield around 2.5%. 10-year return about 9.1% CAGR. Targets companies with strong earnings growth and sustainable dividends. Number 8. iShares Core High Dividend ETF, HDV. Yield around 3.5%. 10-year return about 8.2% CAGR. Built for income stability in volatile markets. Number 7. SPDR S&P Dividend ETF, SDOI. Yield around 3.1%. 10-year return about 8.9% CAGR. Includes companies that have increased dividends for over 20 years. Number 6. iShares Select Dividend ETF, DVY. Yield around 3.2%. 10-year return about 8.7% CAGR. High-quality mid-caps. A favorite among income-focused investors. Number 5. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, VYM. Yield around 3.1%. 10-year return about 9% CAGR. Offers a diversified approach to high-yield investing. Number 4. ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF, NOBL. Yield around 2.3%. 10-year return about 9.2% CAGR. Includes companies with 25-plus years of dividend increases. Number 3. Invesco Dividend Achievers ETF, PFM. Yield around 2.1%. 10-year return about 8.5% CAGR. Rewards patience and consistency. Number 2. Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, Yield around 2%. 10-year return about 10.1% CAGR. Blue Chip Dividend Growers. A top choice for growth-oriented dividend investors. And finally, number 1. Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD. Yield around 3.6%. 10-year return about 11.2% CAGR. Combines high yield, low fees, and strong growth, making it the king of dividend ETFs. Here's the final comparison. SCHD leads with the highest return and yield, but each ETF has its unique strength. Choose wisely based on your goals. Want more insights like this? Drop a comment and let us know which ETF you're investing in.